Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today I want to share with you some recipe how to make your own natural lubricant. So there's two types of natural lubricants you can use. It's an oil-based and there's a water-based. So first let's talk about oil-based lubricants. So the oil-based lubricants, very easy. Just get your favorite oil. I'm kind of recommending for you to use a coconut oil. So with almond oil, it's very good. You can use olive oil or some avocado oil. Just the most important thing is when you're choosing your oils for these kind of special moments, make sure that you are getting unrefined, the best quality organic oils. So all of these oils are natural, are edible, and you can use them for any kind of sex. Another thing just to be conscious about that, guys, do not use the oils with the condoms because it can break the condoms, and as well do not use the oil-based lubricants with your sex toys, which are made from latex, silicone, rubber or plastic. So just keep this in mind. So now let's go to the water-based lubricant. So for water-based lubricant, you're gonna need, it's very simple to do, you're gonna need only 3 ingredients. So the first ingredient I have in here is xanthum gum. Xanthum gum is a thickener and it's a natural gum, okay? Then I have in here a vegetable glycerin, which is as well, it's naturally occurred glycerin, which has no preservatives or additives in it. I did some research online and I was checking, there is a lot of articles saying that the glycerin, it's very bad to use as part of your natural lubricants, and because it contains sugar and then sugar becomes yeast, and that's why you're getting yeast infections and stuff like this. And I'm like, how can glycerin can have a sugar in it, and then I started to do more research, because vegetable glycerin, it's very good for our skin, it's a very good humectant, and we're using, and if you will see, it's most on your products for ingredients, for your body lotions, for any of the face ingredients. So glycerin, it's very good, so why you shouldn't be able to use it as part of your natural lubricant? And then I did more research, and then I found this girl, I think Rebecca, she did a really good, scientifically proved with the facts article that glycerin actually doesn't contain any sugar, and therefore they can't have the yeast infection can't occur into. So I'm gonna link this article in my description box below. Check it out and you can make your own decision. Do you want to use glycerin as part of your natural lubricant or not? So vegetable glycerin is another ingredient. And then I have in here aloe vera juice. I love aloe vera juice, and you know that aloe vera has so many benefits. It hydrates the skin, it's perfect for sensitive skin, it doesn't irritate the skin, and it is a moisturizer as well, So I really love to use aloe vera juice. If you don't have aloe vera juice, you can use aloe vera gel. If you don't have aloe vera gel, then just a distilled water, it will do the job as well. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna use a little bit, literally a little pinch of xanthum gum, because you do not need much. Okay, I have in here xanthum gum, and then I'm just gonna put some of the vegetable glycerin, and I'm just gonna mix it all together very well. Just make sure that it's very well mixed. Xanthum gum and glycerin. Okay. And now I'm just gonna add this into my aloe vera juice. Just gonna add it into aloe vera juice. So all these ingredients are naturally occurred as well, they are edible, so they are good for any kind of sex, and you can use them. They are fine to use with the condoms and with your any other sex toys. And now when the vegetable glycerin and xanthum gum, it's in your aloe vera juice or distilled water, just make sure to mix it very, very well. So make sure that you're gonna mix it very well till you will get this gel kind of consistency. If you need some help, I have this little tool, as I mentioned in my videos before. It's like a little latte foamer or something. So just place it inside and just mix it. And it will help you to mix xanthum gum with the vegetable glycerin and aloe vera juice. And it's perfect. And I see it's a gel base here. Okay, so I have in here a little container, and let's transfer it. Let's transfer it here. Okay, so it's in here, and I have in here, as you see, it's like nice gel consistency. It's white, I mean it's clear in color, you know, and it's, you can maybe smell a little bit of the xanthum gum, but that's fine, but it's still nice smell, and it's really kind of very moistured, and it's a gel consistency. And it has maybe a little bit like a vegetable glycerin taste, but I mean everything else it's fine. It's all natural ingredients, it's all edible, so don't worry about anything. Another thing is that you must keep in mind that this is a water-based lube. So what that means that at the room temperature this will last you about 2-3 days. In the fridge it will last you up about a week or so, because it's water-based. So after 5-6 days or so, it's gonna get the bacteria in it, so you don't want to keep it too long. And as I said, it literally takes about 1-2 minutes to do, and so don't worry about that and do it as you go. And on other times you can just use any kind of your favorite oil. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what kind of lube do you like to use. Is it oil-based or water-based? And of course, this is a water-based lube. It's good if you like to have sex with the condoms or just to play around with your sex toys. So leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you, and see you next day. Bye.